Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing part 2 of the series where I DIY my clothes or some clothes that I found around my house, and I'm going to be doing my skirts. I have 2 designs for you, this and this, that I found on Pinterest. Hopefully I'll find a way to put them on screen so that I don't look stupid just holding my hands out like this. Anyway, if you want to see how I did those skirts, then continue watching this video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is just turn our skirt inside out. Then once you've measured how long or how short you want your skirt to be, just mark it with a ruler and marker, and then you cut along the line. It doesn't have to be a straight cut because it's going to be distressed anyways, so just cut out the length that you want. Next, we're going to cut out a little section. This is the part where you're going to put the mesh, so determine on how much you want to cut. You just mark and cut right there. It can be longer or more narrow, whatever you want. Then we can go ahead and start distressing the edge of the jeans. So this is what I did. This also is optional, where you can distress other parts of the jeans, so I decided to do the bottom of the pocket, the inside of the pocket, and then around the back I distressed the 2 pockets as well. The final step is attaching the mesh. So I place my mesh over my cutout area, and then I cut roughly the amount that I would want. Then I use a glue gun to glue it down, and I add pieces of jeans so that it's more secure. And that's it. Okay, so the first thing I did in this DIY is to cut and distress this J, because J means literally nothing to me, so I wanted to get that out of the way and off this skirt if I'm ever going to wear it. It just never stand a purpose. Yeah, but this thingy DIY is literally 3 steps: marking, cutting, and distressing. So first I marked how high I wanted the little step thingy to be. They said these things on your finger are like 1 inch, so I measured 2 inches upwards, and then I marked all around, and I then, surprise surprise, cut it out. The next step, and you can literally be finished right here, is to distress it. So like distressing, you want to take away the blue threads and reveal the white threads on the jeans so that it has that kind of frayed look, if you understand what I'm saying. So I did like cuts, small cuts, and then I would use my finger. It's a very tedious job. I would use my fingernails or some of the other tools in the last clip that you saw, the last skirt. But I went back to the J after doing the hem because it was still an obvious J. So I went back and I used a paper clip to remove the blue threads so that the J would disappear from existence. So this is me pulling the blue threads out from the group. If you had a tweezer, it would work much better, but I didn't have a tweezer, so I had to use my hand. But yeah, and that is the DIY upcycle thingy for the skirt. Wow, beautiful.
Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post new videos. Comment down below what kind of videos you want me to film next. If you want to see how I made this, then you can check the description box if I find out how to add the video down there, or you can go on my channel and look for my DIY shirts. So add me on Snapchat and Instagram and share this video with your friends. Yeah. Bye!